Hello everyone, I am Faisal from CCL5 and I will walk you through the technical details of a project I built in Python called Countries Founder. It is a graphical application that helps you search for countries, explore them by region and even compare two countries side by side. Let's dive right in. The application is built using the Python Thinker library which handles the graphical user's interface. I have also used some additional libraries like request for fetching data for REST API and PIL for working with images like displaying country flags. That's where it will start. The main function. It set up the main window for the application, center it on the screen and create in the instance of country function class which contains the logic and design for the app. The app runs in the loop using rate main loop to keep the window active. Now let's look at the country found is a class. This where is a magic happens. It handles for key feature of the app. Number 1, searching for the country details. Number 2, exploring country by regions. Number 3, comparing two countries. Number 4, displaying help instruction for user. I have used Thinker which like labels, buttons, frames,
India.
and notebook for tabs to organize these features. The setup search frame method set up the search functionality and includes a text box for entering a country name, a search button and a section to display the result. When the user clicks to search button, an app call for search country method. The search method use the request library to call a public API. RESTCountries.com. If it's data about the country, if the country exists and exact information like capital, populations and flag, and display in the clean organized format. Displaying the information happens in the display country enough method. The method creates section to show general details, demographic and other useful data about the country. If the API provides a flag image, it's displayed using the PIL library to handle image processing. Next, we have the region exploring setup, the setup region frame method. The tabs lets you pick a region like Asia or Europe and see a list of countries in the region. The app display the result a tab like which called a 3 then you table like click a country it. Automatically fetch a display its details. The third feature is comparing country. The setup compare frame method, you can enter the name two countries and click compare. The app details of both countries using API and display them side by side and the scroll format. This display comparison method organization the comparison result in the section like general detail and demography presents the result. It even includes flag for both countries if available. Finally, there help section built in the setup help from method. It gives users simple instructions on how to use the app. Each section organized with clear text to make easy to follow. One important thing to note is I have added error handling throughout the app. For example, if the API does not return data for the country, there is a network issue. The app show user-friendly message using message box. Ensure the app doesn't crash and provide useful feedback instead. A cool technical detail is how the app loads flag images. In the load flag image method, I download the flag from URL provided by the API, resize it and display the app using the PIL library. This makes the interface more visual and engaging. And that's how to Country Founder app works. It's combined Python Thinker's API to create an interactive and user-friendly tool. Thank you for watching.